Do you want to learn how to share your live location with others? If yes, this video is the correct one for you. Hello and welcome to How Logical. In today's tutorial video, I'm about to show you how to share your live location with others. Open your Snapchat app, go to the maps, and as you can see, your location will be shown. I'm currently hiding my live location, so if you unclick this button, your live location will be shown to all of your friends. You can also share your location to specific friends by going on the settings and then pressing on Share Live. So we can go to the settings, and if we scroll down, we can see that we can share our live locations with our friends as well. So this is how you share your live location. Hope the video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and do hit the bell button. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.